Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Now I am starting our today's project. This project on bulb facing. The procedure of bulb facing is trying to show you. This is cylinder head and a new bulb. Try to scrap each other. For unwanted part, remove from the side and make a proper sealing for no losing of compression air. If this bulb and piston head seat there is any leakage, then the compression pressure will not sufficient for a proper power stack. For this reason, before fitting a new valve, exhaust or inlet bulb, each bulb need facing with grinding paste. And this is the procedure of facing a exhaust or inlet valve. Now this is grinding paste applying on the face of the piston head. Its name is valve seat. This grinding paste remove the unwanted material, unwanted portion of the bulb and seat. This is the grinding paste compound. Grinding paste compound, Steamship brand. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum.